Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today in this video I'm going to talk about this one. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect is what we're going to talk about. Well, this is an expression or idiom or proverb or whatever you call it. Some people say that this is not an idiom because you can understand what it means. It is kind of an expression. Sometimes people do not, linguists and ones that can have an idea on these kind of things do not agree on the same thing. So whatever we call it, this is it. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect is said when we tell others or others tell us to say that, to ask, to encourage people to practice, to continue, to train themselves. Okay, for example, I am trying to learn the piano and I make mistakes and I feel that this is not for me, I can't do this and these kind of things. Someone tells me practice makes perfect, encourages me, asks me to not to give up and continue and keep practicing, and as a result, if I do keep practicing, as a result I'll reach there and I'll have that perfection that I am thinking of. I'll be there. That will be with me. Okay, so I'll be a perfect piano player if I keep practicing. So we use when someone gets tired of doing something, when someone gives up, when someone starts moaning and explaining and complaining and these kind of things, we tell them practice makes perfect. Or sometimes we just say this to show that we have had lots of practice and that's why we are like this. Okay, so this is what is about. Practice, keeping practicing will give you what you are looking for, something like that. It's like no pain, no gain. Means if you tolerate pain, you'll gain whatever you want. So it is the same thing. It says if you practice, if you keep this, you will get there. Okay, so now let's look at examples. In the beginning we couldn't play together, but practice makes perfect. Well, it might be a musical group, it can be a theater, a band, music band, or a football team, or it's a team, it's a people, it's a group of people, okay, that play together. It can be playing tennis, it can be playing music, it can be playing or acting, okay, playing the play, okay, whatever it is. It says that these people in the beginning couldn't play together, couldn't act, couldn't complete whatever they wanted to do, but practice makes perfect. Shows that they, in the beginning, this has been the situation, couldn't play together, and then they have kept practicing, and as a result now they can play together, because it says in the beginning, okay, in the past. In the past they couldn't. Literally, when this is over here, it tells us that this is not the situation anymore and it has changed because of but over here. Okay, the conjunction but says that these are not the same. It's not the same anymore. It is not as easy as may sound, but practice makes perfect. So we're talking about something. Then we say it is not as easy as may sound. For example, imagine I play a musical instrument again. I play a musical instrument and it seems that it's very easy. Okay, you might find it, or I might draw something and you find, oh, that's easy, I can do that. It sounds or sings to you that it's easy. Then the person says it's not as easy as may sound to you. But if you practice, it will be easy. Okay, so it is not easy at the moment, but it will be if you keep practicing. So practice makes perfect. So if you repeat and repeat and repeat, you will find it easy. All of us have fallen off our bicycles, Well, practice makes perfect. Well, yeah, I myself have fallen lots of times off my bicycle when I was a kid. Then I learned that. I practiced, and then it was like there were a number of falls that I had to go through. Then I ran out of fallings, and then there was no fallings to act on, so I couldn't fall anymore. I was riding my bicycle, and it was easy, and that was because of the practice, because I used the number of faults that I had. I consumed it. Okay, so yeah, this is the expression. This expression tells is used this way. All of my examples were the same, but practice makes perfect. You can see this at the end of all of my examples. I know this is not good, but you can have some good ones. Write your version of practice makes perfect. Give me an example, comment it below this video, and let other students who see this video see this free, who watch this video see this free, and your comment as well. They will gain more because of your help. Thank you for your help, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.